everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I cut my hair, how I cut my bangs. I think I mentioned in my last video, I really want to trim my bangs because it's growing so long and it's very uncomfortable, cover my eyes. I usually curl my bangs, so when I move my bangs on the side, it will not move back. If I don't curl my bangs will not stay in place. It's very uncomfortable. I don't want to curl my bangs every day because it's not good for your hair if you curl your hair with heat very often. I have been cutting my bangs for many years. I haven't had haircut for almost 10 years. What I mean is my mom used to trim my hair and I'm used to cut my bangs. I think if you can cut your own hair, you can save a lot of money, and those are my new tools. So this one is like I can trim, and this one for cutting. I used to use fabric scissors to cut my bangs. So let's start. I want my hair length like right on my eyebrow, cut little by little. Got my hair in my eyes. I need to close my eyes. I feel like super comfortable now. Wow, right now it's very comfortable. Do you want me to cut it even shorter? Like above my eyebrow? Like right here? I want to show a little bit eyebrow. Let's try. It's about right. Because you can see that my face is very round. If without the side bands, it is very round. If I have the side bands, it covers a little bit my face. So I'm waiting for the side bands getting longer, like to here. And I also have some hair. Maybe I need more hair. Yeah, I actually want my side bands this long, and here is too short, so I'm going to cut it the same length. So it covered my face. It looks not bad. What do you think? If I can get some hair in the front like this, get some hair in the front. Should I leave those hair in the front or in the back? I'm not sure. Like this. Wow, right now it's just super comfortable. I just really don't like when the hair cover my eyes. I don't really want to curl my bangs. I think the bands just right. It's right on my eyebrow. I think if I want to move my bands to the side, I can still do that. or I can do like this. So it looks like, or complete straight bands, or go here a little bit. Not too bad. I think this hairstyle make my face look smaller. If without the side bands, it'll look very round, right? And with it, and without it, it's big difference. If I want to tie my hair like this way, it's still not bad if to tie my hair like this. The right scissors really so much better than the fabric scissors. Very easy to cut. So if you cut your own bands, you do like this way, and then you cut it straight. Very easy. I wonder, should I trim the bottom of my hair? Do you feel like my hair is too long? I just trim a little bit. How it's looking in the back. This way is to make my hair look fuller. Okay, good enough. I also cut my husband's hair. Do you want to see? I already recorded this video. I can show you guys in next video. Bye bye!